South Fulton is taking on the health gap head on. And this weekend, folks can get free screenings, health wellness checks, and real connections to long-term care. Keosha Bell from South Fulton City Council joins us now to share why this health equality fair could be a turning point for thousands in the community. Keosha, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, and good morning, and thank you so much for having me.
All right, when you talk about health equity, what does that mean specifically for residents in South Fulton and surrounding areas?
Well, this is an unprecedented event. This is a regional initiative, a powerful collaboration with my colleague, Councilwoman Dr. Catherine Rao, as well as our local elected officials and mayors from our neighboring cities. And so when we talk about healthcare, our number one focus, our collective focus, is really on addressing disparities in access to quality healthcare within our communities and promoting health and wellness.
Yeah.
We want to make sure that we're promoting overall quality of life for our residents.
So this comes as your area is lacking a top-tier medical facility with no hospital immediately in the area. What kinds of healthcare gaps are your folks facing right now?
Well, with the rising cost of insurance premiums, you have a lot of our senior citizens, families, and children who just really don't have adequate access to health care. Again, as mentioned, we do not have a health facility, i.e. a hospital, within our area. And so when we talk about access to quality health care, when we talk about health resources, when we talk about stress management, these are the ways that we really strive and focus on filling in the gaps for our residents. And so this health expo will serve as an opportunity to do just that.
All right, let's talk about the expo itself. What will people expect when they get there?
So this Health Expo serves as a vital platform. It's an opportunity to connect our residents with essential health resources, preventative services, and support for mental health, stress management, and so much more. And so these services and information that are being provided are sometimes not otherwise available to our residents. And so we've brought together a network of health care professionals, service providers, and community partners to really create and welcome an empowering environment where everyone can take meaningful steps toward better health. And so when we're talking about this incredible health initiative and a regional initiative, it is with gladness that I am able to partner with the City of South Fulton, the City of College Park, East Point, Union City, Fairburn, and Palmetto. And so our health event is going to feature our amazing support from the organizations such as Johnson & Johnson. We have Grady EMS and Grady Hospital. We have Morehouse School of Medicine and the Healing Clinic, and Peach State Health Plan, Well Care, as well as our very own City of South Fulton Shock Fitness Gym. So we have over 100 partners that will be providing health resources as well as biometric and health screenings.
Yeah, that sounds like a big deal there. So it's a one-day fair, but how will this connect people with continuous care and resources?
Well, this gives us an opportunity. One, we want to make sure that we provide and connect our residents with the essential health resources, health providers. We'll have primary care physicians available that are within our community. But there will also be biometric screenings, including BMI, blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, A1C, glucose, you name it, along with HIV testing, as well as STI testing, hepatitis C testing, vaccination, but we also want to focus on colorectal as well as breast cancer screenings. And so we are proud to have Cologuard as part of our partners, where each and every one of our attendees will be able to receive a Cologuard to take home for colon cancer screenings. And so when we're talking about a gap, this one-day opportunity is really going to help to address the disparities of access to quality health care within our communities. In addition, we'll also be doing PAD testing, which is fairly new on the market, but it's peripheral artery disease testing. And so it assesses the strength and the blood flow in not only your legs, but your feet. And so when we are looking at our communities holistically, we're serving over 200,000 plus that are welcome to attend the Health Expo this weekend and receive free health and biometric screening. So when we talk about being leaders and local elected officials in the cities, this is what we're talking about. We're listening, we've heard our residents, and now we are taking action to provide the necessary health resources that are needed for all of our communities.
All right, Keosha Bell, thanks so much for joining us. Thanks for that insight, and thank you for all that you're doing for our community.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. And we look forward to seeing you on Saturday. Again, it's August the 16th at the Georgia International Convention Center. Doors will open at 9:30. So get there, get in line. We've got a lot of great giveaways. A lot of partners have donated gift cards and wonderful opportunities for you to connect. So the event is from 10 to 4, and we look forward to seeing everyone.